Acid-base titration calculation is another important type of stoichiometry problem. There are multiple ways to solve this type of problem, and I did see some of you used the one that's not introduced in the textbook, and you got the correct answer. And so I feel maybe I should show you multiple solutions to solve this type of question, and this will broaden your mindset of problem solving. But it's up to you to choose the solution you prefer. So I'm not going to use this problem as an example. From this question, we know that a reaction happened between sulfuric acid and sodium hydroxide. So the first thing you need to do is to write down a balanced equation. And then let's find out what are the known and unknown values. For sulfuric acid, the concentration is the one to be calculated, and the volume of sulfuric acid is provided. And for sodium hydroxide solution, we know its concentration and the volume. Now let's find out the relationship between these two compounds. In the first solution, we know that the reaction is this is a neutralization reaction, and the solution is neutralized. That means the mole of proton equals to the mole of hydroxide ions. The proton comes from sulfuric acid, and 1 mole of sulfuric acid can generate 2 moles of proton because the subscript 2 here. And 1 mole of sodium hydroxide can generate only 1 mole of hydroxide ion. So the mole of proton will equal to 2 times the mole of sulfuric acid, and the mole of hydroxide ion will equal to the same mole of sodium hydroxide. Because these two equal to each other, then these two should equal to each other too. And we know the mole of the solution equals to the concentration of the solution times the volume. We can also express the equation this way. Now let's move to the next slide. So after we get this equation, simply rearrange it to move the concentration of sulfuric acid to one side by dividing 2 and the volume of sulfuric acid. And plug in the values. Note that I didn't convert the unit of the volume because they will cancel. This is solution 1. And for solution 2, we know when the reaction is complete, the ratio of these two compounds should be 1 to 2. The ratio of these two compounds should be 1 to 2. And use math, like 2 times the mole of sulfuric acid equals 1 times the mole of sodium hydroxide. So we got the same equation, and then plug in the concentration and volume. This is solution 2. For solution 3, we are using the traditional stoichiometry flow map to solve the mole of sulfuric acid first, and then convert the mole of sulfuric acid to the concentration of sulfuric acid. The mole of sulfuric acid equals the concentration of sodium hydroxide times the volume of sodium hydroxide. Here, because the molar unit has a liter, then we need to convert it to liter, convert the volume to liter as well, just to cancel the units. And then look at the coefficient, because we want to get the mole of sulfuric acid. We need to put the mole of sodium hydroxide at the bottom. The ratio comes from the coefficient. 1 mole of sulfuric acid versus 2 mole of sodium hydroxide. That's how you get the mole of sulfuric acid. And then the last step is to use volume as a conversion factor to convert the mole to the concentration. And don't forget to convert the unit of the volume. Convert the unit of the volume. So these are the 3 types of solutions, 3 different strategies to solve the acid-base titration question.